Welcome to SVR IAS Academy. ComeOnIndia.com is our website. In this current affairs online video lecture, we are going to see about 5% interest subvention given by Government of India to the crop loans. The scheme was started in the year 2006. Recently, Union Cabinet has approved the extension of the interest subvention scheme for the farmers for the year 2017-18. What do you mean by interest subvention scheme? One important prelims point you should know is the scheme is being implemented by NABARD and RBI. RBI or the Reserve Bank of India is the central bank and NABARD stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Now let's see what is interest subvention scheme. Normally for farmers two kinds of loans are provided. One is short-term loan and another is long-term loan. Short-term loan and long-term loan. Short-term loan is mainly given as crop loan. Indian agriculture is monsoon dependent. So when monsoon arrives, farmers needs credit for purchasing the seeds, fertilizers for cultivation. In that time, they should not go for the private money lenders. So money should be available at the affordable cost at the government banks, especially public sector banks. That is the reason Government of India provides farmers crop loans at a subsidized interest rate. That is the main objective of interest subvention scheme. So under this scheme, Government of India provides short-term credit to the farmers at the subsidized interest rate. One prelims factual point is rupees 3 lakhs and 1 year. What is that? The Government of India provides farmers and crop loan up to 1 year and farm loan up to 3 lakhs. So for up to maximum 3 lakh and for 1 year loan, the interest subvention scheme is applicable. Farmers are unable to repay the short-term loan means they will get interest subvention of 2%. Normal interest rate is 9%. The farmers who are able to repay the amount on time means they will get 5% interest subvention, so that they need to pay only 4% as an interest. If farmers are not able to repay their loan on time means they will get only 2% subvention and they have to pay 7% interest. So the scheme started since 2006-07 financial year. In that year onwards, farmers are getting the interest subvention of 2% for crop loans up to 3 lakhs. Now you can say easily what is the objective of this interest subvention scheme. It will make the agriculture credit available at the ground level for short-term crop loans at an affordable rate, so that it will enhance the agricultural productivity and production in our nation. We are a nation with more than 130 crore population. To feed our huge population, we need to increase our agricultural production and productivity. For that, we need to provide all the support to the farmers. In this background, interest subvention scheme is one of the important steps taken by Government of India. Farmers need loans not only for the cultivation, even after harvest. Sometimes in the post-harvest stage, the yield gets damaged, their produce gets damaged because of various reasons. So in order to give relief to the small and marginal farmers, they borrow at the 9% for the post-harvest storage of their produce. Central government has approved the interest subvention of 2% for 6 months. Farmers may borrow money to store their agriculture produce. Normal interest rate is 9%. So government for the post-harvest storage gives 2% interest subsidy, so that only 7% interest farmers have to pay for 6 months. And what about interest subvention during the natural calamity? To provide relief to the farmers who are affected by the natural calamities, interest subvention of 2% will be provided to the banks for the first year on the restructured amount. So in this video lecture we discussed many important facts like which are the agencies implementing this, that is NABARD and RBI, and interest subvention scheme, and how much the interest rate subvention will be available to farmers, especially during the post-harvest and especially during the natural calamity, and for the farmers who repay the amount on time and farmers who are not able to repay the amount on time. So revise each and every point, and all the best for your IAS exam preparation. Download our Android application. Go to Google Play Store and type SVR IAS. You will get our Android app. Download it, and so that you will get instant notification whenever we post new video lectures or we post prelims, current affairs quiz, etc. Thank you.